Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I kind of made a mistake and I ended up cutting all the boards the same height, but unfortunately that's not going to work when I put it in. We kind of figured this out, and the boards actually are taller in the back than they are up front here, because the back of the van actually slopes going up versus the front of the van. So there is quite a bit of difference in there versus the back. So unfortunately I'm gonna actually have to take these inner pieces and front pieces off, and that's gonna be a chore on its own because I just obviously put them in, which is gonna be shitty. And then I have to figure out what to do with those 2x4 cuts, and I'm probably going to do like an inner spacing inside of the box, just basically separating it, giving it more durability between them. Otherwise it's just wasted 2x4s at this point, which isn't that big of a deal. I have to wait till I get the other sound deadening, which should be here this week, so I can finish sound deadening the roof. And then when I get the roof sound deadened, then I can put up the plywood and go from there and see about the length down, and then measure everything out differently. But for now, in this little clip, in this little video, I'm gonna just pull all those boards off and probably start again once I get all that stuff done. I will have some other stuff that I might do too while I'm here today, possibly run the wires for the front, but that's only if I get time to do it. I don't plan on being here all night, and I believe it's like 10 o'clock right now. Let's check this out here. It is 10:23, and usually I'm out here till about 2, sometimes 3, but I don't think I'm going to be out here that late today. We'll see how late it goes. I rode with my cousin, so whenever he decides to take off, that's when I'm taking off. But I'll put this on time lapse, and then I'll end up putting it together later on. So see you in a little bit. Hey everybody, so I did get a few things done. I got that tore out for the wood stuff. I got my tweeters mounted into their little brackets. Guess I had to make my own brackets and stuff like that, just because these aren't going to fit in there otherwise. And they actually fit really nicely. I'm working on the door right now. I'll spin this around. We got the wire running through the door, be able to get that. I don't know if I can get up there. There is my hose in there. Let's see if I can get around here. See, I got the wire ran up there for that one. A little bit of a brightness kind of blew it out there. Yeah, so that one's sitting in there, and you can see how the bracket is for the tweeter, because that's actually a told me it was like a 3.5, but it's not actually 3.5. It's more like a 4 or 5. So I did get like 3.5-inch tweeters, and they don't fit. So I would say it's more like a 5. But I had to get that done. I'm working on the doors. I did do a time-lapse little deal about taking apart some of that stuff and fixing some of it. I did stop the time-lapse because I was running low on battery. And then I just kind of did some other stuff, and I just want to do a follow-up, just kind of show you guys what's going on, so you're kind of caught up and on about the same page. I can't do the video editing stuff right now. I have to get a new computer, so these videos might come out a little late, and then I'll just put them up when I can. So anyways, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Talk to you later.